Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna continue harvesting beans. On that field back there, it's 80 acres. Hopefully we can knock it out today if they're dry enough. They look dry enough, they feel dry enough. So hopefully we can harvest them and knock that field out today. And no, this is not my school backpack. This is all my camera gear that I have to bring to the field to produce the videos that you guys are watching. Beans are at 12%, so we're gonna go ahead and hammer. We're gonna move wagons down to the field. Let's go unload the grain cart into the wagons. Unload the wagons into the bin. Let's see if we can try and not spill the soybeans this time. That would be wonderful. I'm gonna be waiting for a little bit, so I might as well clean the windows. They're getting kind of dirty. guys, so we have about 20 acres left. We're almost done with this 80-acre field. It's almost 7 o'clock. I hope we can get this field done today. I don't know if we will, because dew might set in early, like 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how late we can go, how the beans feed into the combine. It just depends. So hopefully we can get done tonight, but I don't know if we will or not. Okay guys, Dad is coming up. He's gonna finish this pass and then we're gonna quit for the night. It's just getting too wet, the dew is setting in, he's dragging stuff, beans aren't cutting well. So we're gonna quit for the night. We are almost done. We should be able to finish it either late morning tomorrow or early afternoon tomorrow. It's the next day, and we're gonna go finish cutting the soybeans in that 80-acre field. We don't have many acres left, so we should be able to knock it out really quickly. Okay guys, we got just a couple rounds left, and then we're gonna be done with this field. Don't mind my drone controller, it's just throwing a fit because the drone is low on battery. Don't mind it. Dad's only cutting a couple rows of those beans because there's 2 rows left of the beans of the same soybean, type of soybean that we harvested on this whole field. And then there's just a little bit of a different variety of soybean that we planted, but we don't want to mix that in. Just for whatever reason, we're gonna keep it separate. So Dad's gonna harvest all this first number of soybeans, and then we're gonna put it into the grain cart, and then he's gonna harvest the rest of the soybeans that are a different variety, and then we'll store those in a separate wagon. Pretty close to being done. Dad has a couple rows down there, then those beans right there, and that's all the soybeans we have left to harvest this year. Now we're gonna go unload these wagons. Well guys, that concludes soybean harvest 2020. We had, I think, about 180 acres in all. We are done with it. Now what we're gonna go do is we're gonna go disc the ground, harrow it, like smooth it out. Then we're gonna go drill wheat into the ground that we just harvested soybeans on. So about 180 acres of wheat we're gonna have to harvest next year. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.